We're pretty late into the second half of 2021 and the GPU crisis is still ongoing and things aren't looking like they're getting any better. So today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about gaming on integrated graphics. But don't go anywhere. Just a little bit of a different tone in this one. My name is Chris, this is Coalition Gaming, and today I'll be your computer technician. Real quick, if you're new around here, enter into PC hardware gaming stream tips and tutorials, you're in the right place. Click that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew. So feel free to stop by, drop a follow, and yeah, we'll see you over there. But for now, let's get back to the video. By now, every tech YouTuber has done videos on the performance of gaming on integrated graphics because GPUs are just such a pain to get. I haven't really touched on that too much because I myself have never really been a fan of iGPU gaming. Maybe it's a little elitist of me to feel that way, but it isn't like I haven't touched on really cheap GPU performance. I have a video on how well a GT 1030 holds up if you guys want to check that out. I'm not even that big of a fan of the AMD APUs. They only recently got into APUs that were more than 4 cores, which I am very happy about, but after all this time, they are still on Vega integrated graphics. You know what iGPU excites me? The one from the Steam Deck, because that's an AMD APU that uses RDNA 2 graphics. Now that's what I'm talking about. That aside, the GPU market sucks, and Intel's updated Xe graphics core gave me a little bit more hope for gaming performance on Intel integrated graphics. I had an opportunity to build a PC featuring an i7-11700, which has Intel UHD 750 Xe graphics with 16 gigs of DDR4 2933 MHz RAM, and so I said, hey, let's benchmark this too. I built this live on stream, by the way, so if you want to catch stuff like this live, give us a follow over on our Twitch at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew. Anyways, let's get to the benchmarks. Well, all I have to say is if you can't find a GPU for your gaming PC, I'm sorry. Turn down the resolution or resolution scale as much as your eyes can take if you need a playable FPS. But yeah, Intel integrated graphics still have a way to go, even to catch up to AMD. If you've got a Micro Center near you, try your best to get one from there. If not, try to score a GPU drop from the AMD Direct site or even from Best Buy. I managed to get a Founders Edition RTX 3070 for its $500 MSRP from Best Buy a while back. Video linked right up here in the description below. Hopefully that video can help you guys find something you're looking for. Until then, my heart goes out to you guys. If you like this video, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew. So feel free to stop by, drop a follow, and let's talk some tech. Anyways, I hope you found this informative, educational, entertaining, or otherwise useful. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Got more content right over there. Click one of those because there's content over there. And I respond to the comments, so check out one of our other videos. We got a ton of them, and we'll see you in the comments. You'll get a response from me. You'll see.